What's a cobot?
Cobots are collaborative robots, so they've become really popular in industry recently because of the ability for them to work side by side with humans. They're very similar to what we've seen in the automotive industry and food industry for the last couple of years, but they have sensors on them and capabilities to where if they were to run into you or hit you, they would shut down until reset. So they're a lot safer and a lot more just user-friendly than most other industrial robots.
Reasons for a cobot.
A few different reasons. The first reason is to increase production. We would have a significant increase in the number of cycles we can run and then the times in which we could run those cycles. And then the other reason would be to take those repetitive jobs that people could get hurt doing or doing the same thing over and over again and repurpose those people.
The labor force has a challenge on meeting the laborers to run our CNC equipment. Colleges and high schools really haven't promoted the manufacturing sector. So that left manufacturing sector basically without a labor force. Many of the factory workers, skilled labor, have retired and has left us with a void of a generation gap of people that would come in and run our equipment.
What are the benefits of cobots?
A cobot is an excellent assistant that can help manufacturing by just taking the basic function and taking apart, loading it into the machine, and taking the part out of the machine and putting it in an inspection station. This way, we could focus on quality of the part. The basic cobot cannot discern a good part from a bad part. So that is why we need the employee-worker cobot relationship. Extra time and attention that a human can spend on the quality of the part and use discernment on this is how I can make the part better and give that feedback. That's the true benefit of the cobot.
Learn more at pbclinear.com.